So I'm working my way through the PolyNome help documentation and I'm using two apps. I'm using Craft, which is great for creating documents and making them available on the web. And I'm using ShareShot by the great Mark Palmer. And this is perfect for framing screenshots on iPhone or iPad. So I'm working on my Mac at the moment, and what you can see here is a screen mirror of my iPhone that I'm holding in my hand. So I'm just going to show you how I add the screenshots to this. So I'm saying here that to duplicate from the playlists library, I would long press on a playlist and choose duplicate. So I want a device screenshot for that. So I just long press on here, get the menu up, and then I screenshot this. That's in my photos as just a screenshot without the device frame around it. So then I just share this, and I have a shortcut set up, which is frame, transparent, and copy. And then I can just delete this screenshot, and the framed version is now in my clipboard. And so I can just paste that directly into here. And it's really quick and easy to use. So another way to do it is via the app itself rather than a shortcut. So I'll screenshot this, and then I will open ShareShot. And by default, it brings up the last screenshot that you took. And in here, you can choose whether you want it to be portrait or a square or landscape or to fit the frame. And in edit mode, you've got a lot of very nice backgrounds. Let's go through some of the different backgrounds here. And these all look great. I've been doing mine transparent so that I don't have to worry about them matching up with the background of the web page here, but the backgrounds are really nice. And you can choose lighting. So for example, with this red background here, you can choose dynamic lighting on or off. You can see how it makes a light source look like it's coming from the top left or the top right or wherever you like. And you can choose big shadows or small shadows or no shadows. And you can choose the amount of padding that you want. And it automatically picks the right frame for you, so you don't need to worry about picking device frames, and it uses the Apple official device frames. You can also import your own if you want to do that. And I think it has frames for Apple Watch and all the different iOS devices, maybe even some old Mac ones. But it's really neat. So if I wanted to put this in my document, for example, I could just share it from here and copy it, and then I could paste in on my Mac. Or of course, if I'm using Craft on my iPhone, I can do the exact same thing and paste them into the documentation in there. So two apps I really highly recommend, Craft and ShareShot.